How to see your Netflix email and password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can see your Netflix email and password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, not only Netflix, but any social media app, any payments app, any streaming services will never let you see your password even if you are logged in. Now, you might be able to see the email, but you can't really see the password. So let me just log into one of my profiles here. Once I've done that, you should be able to actually see your emails over here by tapping the profile icon here, going to account section, and then here you will be able to see your current email address, but unfortunately it doesn't let you see your password, right? So what can you do to see the password? One thing is that if you don't remember your password, you can reset it if you have access to your email address or the phone number associated with your Netflix account. Otherwise, if you don't want to reset it, there's another thing we can do, but this only happens if you're actually quite lucky. So what happens is that sometimes you might log in Netflix from your browser. If you're using iPhone, you could have your Netflix account details saved on your Safari browser or your Google Chrome browser or your Google account where your account is linked with. So here, let's say if you want to check it, I can go to netflix.com, and currently you can see I will not be signed in by default. So first of all, I'll just sign out if you're signed in, by the way. And now you can just go to the login page again. So you can tap the sign in option from the top right. What happens is that sometimes if you're lucky, you could have saved the password on your browser, and when you have saved that password, you can select that Netflix account, tap the show option next to that password, right? So if it doesn't work, just try for other profiles and tap the share icon next to the password, and when you tap on the eye icon next to the password box, you should be able to actually view that particular password. And this way you can actually see your Netflix email and password. As for password, only if you're lucky you've saved in your browser, you can actually view the password from your browser. As for email, even if you're logged in, of course you'll be able to see them. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.